The Buick Enclave has built a reputation as one of the most comfortable, value-packed three-row SUVs on the road. Some model years deliver 200,000 trouble-free miles, while others hide timing chain and transmission problems that can cost you thousands the moment the warranty runs out. In this video, we'll break down the best and worst Buick Enclave model years to buy used. We'll show you exactly which years stand out and which ones to walk away from on the lot. Let's get started. Coming in as the year most experts tell you to avoid, the 2008 Buick Enclave, the very first model year. As is often the case with first-year vehicles, the 2008 carried the most owner-reported complaints of any Enclave. According to owner data compiled on sites like Car Complaints and NHTSA, the biggest issue was the timing chain on the 3.6-liter V6. This is particularly frustrating because a stretched or failing timing chain can trigger the check engine light, cause rough running, and lead to serious engine damage, a repair that frequently costs $2,500 to $3,500 at a dealership. Owners also reported power steering failures and air conditioning problems. For a launch year, the 2008 simply hadn't worked out its early bugs. Unless the price is exceptional and the maintenance records are spotless, this is one to pass on. At number 2, we have to group the 2009 through 2011 model years together because they share the same Achilles heel, the timing chain issue carried over. The 3.6-liter LLT engine in these years was prone to timing chain wear, often surfacing somewhere between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. Owners reported the same costly symptoms, and many faced the repair just as their warranty expired. These years also saw complaints about excessive oil consumption and front-end suspension noise. They're not unsafe vehicles, but the repair risk is real and it climbs with mileage. Number 3 on the avoid list is the 2018 Buick Enclave, and the reason follows a familiar pattern. The 2018 was the first year of the all-new second generation, and like most redesign years, it carried the most teething problems of its generation. Owners reported issues with the new 9-speed automatic transmission, including rough or hesitant shifting, along with early electronics and infotainment glitches. The auto stop-start system also drew complaints for inconsistent operation. According to reliability trackers, the 2018 scored noticeably lower than the years that followed it. If you want a second-generation Enclave, there are simply better, more refined years just 1 or 2 model years later. The best years to buy. Coming in at number 1 for the first generation, the 2017 Buick Enclave. By 2017, GM had spent nearly a decade refining this platform, and it shows. The most significant timing chain concerns from the early years had largely been addressed through updated components and revised engineering. The result is the most mature, sorted-out version of the first-generation Enclave you can buy. The 2017 came well-equipped, with a smooth 3.6-liter V6 producing around 288 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed automatic that ensures relaxed, comfortable cruising. Owners praised its quiet cabin, supportive seats, and genuine 3-row practicality. For those shopping used, the 2016 and 2017 model years are widely considered the most reliable and refined years of the first generation. Expect to pay roughly $15,000 to $20,000, depending on mileage and trim. At number 2, the 2015 and 2016 model years stand out as the value sweet spot of the first generation. By this point, the major early problems had been ironed out, and these years benefited from a 2013 mid-cycle refresh that improved the interior materials, technology, and safety features. According to safety data from the IIHS, these later first-generation models earned strong crash protection ratings, making them a smart pick for families. With high reliability for the platform and a comfortable, refined interior, the 2015 and 2016 Enclave remains a popular choice for buyers who want maximum value without paying second-generation prices. You'll typically find these in the $12,000 to $17,000 range. Number 3, and arguably the best overall Enclave to buy today, the 2021 and 2022 model years. By 2021, the second generation had fully matured. The transmission concerns from the 2018 launch year had been resolved, the electronics were far more stable, and a 2022 refresh brought updated styling, improved technology, and additional standard safety equipment. These years pair a refined 3.6-liter V6 producing around 310 horsepower with a smooth 9-speed automatic for confident, effortless highway driving. According to J.D. Power and owner-reported data, these later second-generation models show markedly stronger reliability than the early ones. With modern driver assistance features, a premium cabin, and strong long-term durability, the 2021 and 2022 Enclave represents the pinnacle of the model's commitment to comfort, refinement, and value. Expect to pay roughly $28,000 to $38,000, depending on trim and mileage. So here's the bottom line. Choose the right year and the Buick Enclave delivers exactly what it promises: a quiet, comfortable, genuinely practical 3-row SUV that holds up over time and won't drain your savings. It's one of the most underrated used SUV values on the market, as long as you buy the right one.